Um, can you clarify the difference between mudras and asanas?
In fact, the distinction is not so clear. Of course, asanas, the definition of asana is seat, so that the body can park itself and the yogi can go deep in meditation. And as we saw, Hatha Yoga includes non-meditative postures as well to purify and strengthen the system. Whereas in mudras, so as we saw, mudras are of different types. There can be hasta mudras, where you have hand gestures. For example, touching the tip of the index finger and tip of the thumb. This will complete a circuit, will allow prana to flow in some of the other nadis and elsewhere in the body. And then we have some whole body mudras, like the Viparita Karani mudra. It resembles an asana, but unlike asana, here the objective of mudra is to redirect the prana. It is not so much as the physical benefits in the mudras. It's not so much as to strengthen and purify the body. It is more to redirect the prana through different